Welcome! So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create Amazon account using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and then search for Amazon.com. So once you've done that, you can see this Hello Sign In Account and Lists at the upper part of your screen. So if you don't have an account, just go ahead and click Start here. And then now you can just go ahead and fill out this form by putting your name, your email or number. So make sure that you have the access in this email, okay, or phone number. And now just click verify email. And now you need to check your email because Amazon will send you a verification code. So for mine it is 238246. I'm sorry. So 238246. So by the way, if you don't receive any code, just go ahead and click resend OTP. Then after that, just go ahead and click create your Amazon account. And that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.